Koenigsegg CCX 2006 to 2010. The Koenigsegg CCX is a mid-engine sports car manufactured by Swedish automotive manufacturer Koenigsegg Automotive AB. The project began with the aim of making a global car, designed and engineered to comply with global safety and environment regulations, particularly to enter the United States car market. To sell cars in the US, many alterations were made to the design of the CCR. The previously used Ford modular engine was replaced by an in-house developed Koenigsegg engine designed to run on 91-octane fuel, readily available in the United States, and to meet Californian emission standards. The name CCX is an abbreviation for competition QX, the X commemorating the 10th anniversary, X being the Roman numeral for 10, of the completion and test drive of the first CC prototype in 1996. The CCX was unveiled at the 2006 Geneva Motor Show, sporting body modifications to meet U.S. vehicle regulations and a new in-house developed 4.7 liters twin supercharged V8 engine capable of generating a maximum power output of 817 PS, 601 kilowatts, 806 horsepower, at 7,000 revolutions per minute and 920 Nm, 679 pounds-feet, of torque at 5,500 revolutions per minute while running on 91-octane gasoline. The new engine is of all-aluminum construction made out of 356 aluminum with a T7 heat treatment to further enhance block integrity and cylinder bore chill during casting. Specifically created and cast for Koenigsegg by Granger and Warrell, a casting specialist with F1 experience in drivetrain components, the engine was built, assembled and tested at their Njlholm production plant. The engine is lubricated with a dry sump system with a separate oil pump, and the pistons are cooled by means of an internal cooler that sprays oil onto them in order to run high cylinder pressure with 91-octane fuel, making it capable of 14 miles per gallon US, 17 liters/100 kilometers, 17 miles per gallon imp, in combined cycle, and 18 miles per gallon US, 13 liters/100 kilometers, 22 miles per gallon imp, in highway travel. Available transmissions are a CHIMA 6-speed manual and a 6-speed sequential manual transmission. Power is fed to the wheels through a torque-sensitive limited slip differential. The chassis is made from carbon fiber reinforced with Kevlar and aluminium honeycomb like the previous models. While the body keeps the target top body style and the dihedral synchrohelix actuation doors, it is completely reworked. There is a new front bumper design, enhanced brake cooling, fog lamps, US patented headlamps, a new fresh air intake on the bonnet that acts as ram air booster, air intakes behind the front wheels to enhance airflow, and a glass window over the engine. The CCX has frontal area of 2,894 square inches, 1.867 square meters, and a drag coefficient of CD equals 0.32, with a width of 0.56 square meters, 6.0 square feet. It also has a flat underside with venturi tunnels at the rear and an optional rear spoiler to improve downforce. At 200 km per hour, 124 miles per hour, there is 60 kilograms, 130 pounds, of downforce over the front axle and 65 kilograms, 143 pounds, over the rear. The car is 88 mm, 3.5 in, longer to comply with the US rear impact regulations and to free space around the rear muffler. On the interior, there is 51 mm, 2.0 in, of extra headroom, as well as specifically designed Sparco carbon fiber seats. First in the industry, carbon fiber wheels are optional equipment, 3 kilograms, 6.6 pounds, lighter than the standard forged alloy telephone dial wheels, both using center locking nuts. Diameter is 19 inches at the front and 20 inches at the rear, equipped with 255/35Y19 front, 335/30Y20 rear Michelin Pilot Sport 2 tires, 8-piston caliper carbon ceramic brakes measuring 380 mm, 15 in diameter at the front, and 6-piston caliper 362 mm, 14.3 in, at the rear, optional, saving another 2 kilograms, 4.4 pounds, of unsprung weight.